Now, this skill here is the most important one. And this is what I do before ever opening a chart, and it's understanding the fundamental drivers of a market. Once you understand the true fundamentals and economics of price, you never need to look at a chart to get directional bias. Wait, what, Kieran? How do you know where the market's going with that? Listen, do you really think bigger institutions, which we know are the only people who can move the market because it's expensive to move the market, do you really think these people are going to their offices and looking on squiggly lines and buying off order blocks and trend lines? What they're doing is they're basing their trades off facts. They're actually looking at, is there a fundamental reason for this currency to accumulate and appreciate in value? They're looking at things like the monetary policy. They're looking at things like interest rates. They're looking at things such as inflation, the labor market. But we're looking at fundamental narratives and building a reason why this market will go up. Because if you find yourself trying to buy, for example, off a demand zone, but we're in a quantitative tightening cycle, that ain't gonna work out. Understand why the market is moving in what direction based on the fundamentals, the real facts of the market. Inflation is one of the most important metrics and the biggest drivers of price. Without understanding this economic data, doesn't matter what you see on the charts. So understanding the economics and understanding the news behind what's driving price, you know where the market's going to go with absolute certainty because you're basing your trades off facts, not fiction or fake theories.